Hey guys, Erica with the K here. Today's video is going to be on the difference between a French braid, which I am doing right now, and a Dutch braid, which I am doing right now. In both braids, you're always working with 3 pieces of hair. That is the same thing no matter what. When you're doing a French braid or a Dutch braid, you're only going to have 3 pieces of hair in your hands at all times. So any extra hair that you take up, you're just going to meet it with that piece and then either go over if it's a French braid and under if it's a Dutch braid. So the main difference is when you do a French braid, you're taking the hair and you're going over each piece. So you're taking a new piece of hair, you're adding it to the existing piece, and you're going over, as you can see I'm doing in this clip. When you do a Dutch braid, you're going to take hair and you're going to go under. So you're always going to take that hair and meet it in the middle, but in a Dutch braid you go under, whereas in a French braid you go over. Okay, so now we're going to do the Dutch braid. So we're going to split this into 3. We're always going to have 3 in our hands, and we're going to go under with each piece and meet it in the middle, and then you're going to add more hair as needed. So as you can see, I'm adding it to that piece that was going to go in the middle. And then I'm just going to put it underneath in the middle. And then the same thing on the other side. I'm going to take that piece. I'm going to meet it with that piece of hair that was next to go in the middle. And there you go. That's how you do a Dutch braid. So just remember, Dutch hair, the hair goes underneath. And in a French braid, it goes over on top. When you're done doing the braid, you're going to want to secure it. I use bobby pins, but you could definitely use an elastic if you have it. And then I'm going to show you how you guys can pull this out. If this was an updo, this is the Dutch braid that I'm doing right now. And then this is the French braid. As you can see, the Dutch braid just has more pop than the French braid does. And then again, that was the French braid, and this is the Dutch braid. Just a look from the front so you guys can see how that looks. The Dutch braid is here. And then the other side has the French braid. So most of the time, if you're doing an updo, you're probably going to want to use a Dutch braid instead of a traditional French braid. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye, guys.